Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair, and today we are very happy that we got a message from the clients that they make a video for us, good feedback. Actually every day we got a lot of good feedback, good review, but this message really make me feel very happy because she did a review for us on YouTube, on Instagram, and everywhere. Basically, she used our Remy 5x5 this closure wig for a year, and it really helped her to overcome some like thinning hair problem. And we really feel happy that she can do this kind of video for us. And I also uploaded this video in my channel. You can check. If you knew that we never do sponsored review, I think a lot of people actually approaching us that want to do sponsored video for us. We knew that sponsored videos is very much good way to help to promote the brand, promote the hair, but we didn't do that because we think if we paid them to do the sponsor videos for us, it actually they will not be able to speak out with what they really think of our hair, and so it's meaningless to us. So what we want to do is we want to receive the genuine feedback from the clients, no matter it's good or it's bad. If you want to get hair, Joice Hair will always be trusted. Joice Hair will be always reliable to you. Will supply you the best quality hair and best service. If you find our hair good, please share to your friend, family, and to anyone you know, or do the good review for us. If you do not like our hair, you can always telling us. It's really important for us to improve. We know where we should improve, and it really helped to us. So so if you want any hair, you can always feel free to contact us or place your order on our website. If you are a hair retailer, Joice Hair will be supplying the best hair and best hair quality at the best price to you, and always the consistent quality. Thank you for watching today's video. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, and have a great day.